Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Even me, I don't dey ask myself and they ask so many other people say wetin dey happen wey be say we wey dey for diaspora we no fit do Nigeria passport. Even if we go there, the embassy go turn go here, go here, go here. E go come be say at the end of the day you go spend big money, and wetin you spend that money for you no go fit still get am. I no know say Nigeria government they don do wetin they do for Nigeria finish wey be say we wey dey diaspora to get Nigeria passport e go come be problem. Wetin dey happen? Alright, my wonderful people, before I leave una make una watch this video, make I first hala una first. Welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet all of una according to una time. I remain your friend, your girl, your sister, anointed lady. I beg give to you now the first time we be say you did drop on this corner, you are highly welcome. Thank you very much for stopping by. And if you never subscribe, make you kindly hit that subscribe button, put on the notification bell, because for this channel now daily news, as the news they knack for my table now, so I think they bring them come here so that everybody go still know wetin dey happen. That is why I say make you put on the notification bell so that you go notified, you will get notification anytime we say I take drop new video. And make you not also fail to like the video, leave your comment, wetin you think, share the video. Thank you very much as you do that. God bless you. Let's watch the video below, guys.
We come talk to the Controller General Immigration. Controller General Immigration, you need to explain to Nigeria and most importantly Edo people, for the past 2 years now this matter don dey happen for our state. But before I go lead my protest, go for immigration, I just want to let the world know that Nigeria international passport going to 2 years now. If you want to do for Edo State, for Benin, for Ramapa, it's either they refer you to Kogi State, or they refer you to Asaba, or they refer you to Bayelsa, or they refer you to Port Harcourt. At times, people will go Calabar, go to this matter not dey happen for the past 2 years. Today, we dey call on Immigration Controller General for nationwide. Why this Nigeria passport this scarce for SASA? That is number one question now. When I dey ask the Controller General, where they Abuja, this international passport, why is it scarce for SASA? As we speak today now, you don't get any state where you will go for SASA when I say this booklet of international passport today. But if you go northern Nigeria, you go Nasarawa, you go Kano, you go Kaduna, you go Maiduguri, this international passport is available there. Why? We want you to explain to Nigerians. We want you to explain to Edo people. A lot of people now, most especially our brothers and our sisters, when their passports don't expire, they're just stranded now. They're just stranded. This international passport, now our property, now our right to do it. Even when we hold our money now, we know the fit get am for Edo State. The governor of Edo State, Mr. Godwin Obaseki, this matter don dey happen for the past 2 years. If you want to do this passport for Edo State, for Benin, it's either they go refer you to Kogi State or they refer you to another state. So, Controller General, Immigration, why they give you that position, now to bring idea for immigration. That institution, now to bring ideas for that institution. Today, you don't get any state where you go for SASAF, for Niger Delta, where you go see this booklet. A lot of people, they don't lament fees, importers for inside market, nothing renew their passport. You go this immigration office, they say no booklet. You go the other state, no booklet. You go here, they say no booklet. But one side of the country, they get the booklet. With a shame as an injustice, with a shame as an intimidation, with a shame as see finish to SASA people. All the Controller General where we don't get for the past 4 years now. Now what will happen to Edo people with this? You don't get any time when you go take go down Rama Park for immigration office. May they give you your international passport there. It's either they tell you say no booklet never come. Make you go to other state. You can never go to that office. They will do your international passport for you. So, Controller General, we want to make you explain to Nigeria and make you explain to Edo people, home and abroad, why the matter be like that. Like this international passport now. Some people did now for the past 3 months for Edo State, where their passport don't expire. They want renew. To even renew not a problem. They'll tell you say booklet, no day. Does it mean say the money where that immigration don't they make? They don't get reserved to print booklet, just to print this booklet, just to print this international passport. What do they want to take federal government? Muhammadu Buhari, Mr. President, what do they go take this immigration people to print this booklet, passport, Nigerian passport? What do they want to take them? Today, this passport, the official price now how much? The official price now how much? But to get this passport now, you go spend like 60,000 naira. Yes. To get this international passport now, because of the they say go here, go here. Somebody, immigration they call me today. Somebody told me say go Nasarawa State. They get for Nasarawa State. Why Nasarawa State will get booklet and Edo State not will get booklet? Mr. Godwin Obaseki, the governor of Edo State, I beg, call the commander for immigration for Edo State. Call him, make this passport available for Edo people, home and abroad. This matter not take ground for the past 2 years. He dey pay me for body. He dey pay me for body well. Somebody will be say he hold the money to do the passport. The story where you gonna hear no booklet. My brothers and sisters, as una dey watch this video, make una dey share am. Make una dey share am until the Controller General Immigration see this video. Because some part for the country, nothing they get booklet, then SASA don't get. SASA don't get. Anybody who want to do this passport now for Edo State must go to another state to do. Is it supposed to be like that? Immigration Controller General now they ask now. Now question now they ask why? Delta State wey near Edo no get. Bayelsa State no get. River State no get. Cross River no get. Anambra no get. Enugu no get. Iwo Udo State no get. Then some path for for the country, they get an excess. All this one are injustice. So we are calling our governor, because now he be the chief security of the state. Anything wey dey happen for Edo State today, na him dey go first call. Na him make me dey call am now. Godwin Obaseki, the governor of Edo State, call the immigration commander for Rama Park, make international passport available for the people of Edo State. Our Edo people, they risk their life for road when they say they travel, go they do it for another state. In case you won't call me as we dey talk, so you fit call my line 080-5384-1781 080-5384-1781. This passport, when I dey talk about, wetin e wan take federal government to produce am, wetin e wan take them to produce am, so that they go fit make am available from every state. Even Nigeria embassies for different countries, na so Nigerians wey dey diaspora, Edo people wey dey diaspora, still dey struggle to get this booklet, this international passport. Federal government is making a lot of money from this passport. Why they no dey invest back for the passport today for ground, so that our people go fit collect am? I know many people don call me, say they wan renew their passport, they no see booklet. They wan renew their passport, they no see booklet. I know many people dey tell me, they wan travel to do passport now, na problem. Importers full inside our market. Na inside market I dey now. Inside market now they do this report inside market. I know how many importers wey suppose don travel now, go China, go Germany, go America, go buy goods come, but this international passport is not available. Controller immigration, is it right? E good like that? For somebody to be controller immigration officer, now you say you supposed to bring ideas when Nigerians will take get this passport. If another thing dey, why una no wan make am available? Make una tell Nigerians and Edo people. Make una tell Edo people. Wetin me don notice? Wetin me don notice for the past 2 years? Now they talk now to get international passport for Edo State, not the day easy. They must refer you to another state. We don't want am again. We don't want am again. May they bring the international passport come their office, so that anybody wey need am go fit dey do am. One of my brother Afrisan want international passport. He have to travel to Bayelsa, and he reach Bayelsa, he no see am do. He dey risk in life for road. Na so many people dey suffer this thing when I dey talk, and they no fit cry come out. So you wey dey see me and you dey hear my voice, and this thing you still dey pass through all this thing so that they talk for immigration hand, share my video, share this video until Muhammadu Buhari, the president and the controller general immigration and interior minister, all of them wey dey charge, make dem see am. Wetin e go take federal government to produce this international passport? Yes, wetin you wan take them? Wetin you wan take them? If you wan do this passport now, the official price na very small money o, but if you wan do am between 55,000 to 60,000,